When I shape the nose of my lion, this is how it looks from the side. I'm just going to go through that first round where you change color. So I'm using the sand color because that's what the body is for this. So the nose is the winter white. But I'm going to be going on this round. So I come from behind that spot on the bottom of the head, and I'm going to come up and I'm going to go back down through that spot every single time. So I'm coming from the side here, and as I pull through and go back down, I like to pinch it. You can see I'm kind of pushing it down. I'm also making sure that I don't go on the white part because that will create like a jagged edge. So as I go straight back down and I'm coming down through that bottom, like the corresponding line around on the bottom, I'm going to gently pull, and I'm going to repeat that all the way across. Remember as you're going not to skip too many lines. So when you go up, you want to go down right near that same stitch so you don't have a long line left on the top of the head, just like an embroidery thing. And you want to make sure that you're getting every stitch so it looks even and you don't have quite as many puckers as you would if you skipped over some area. It's pretty simple, but it adds a pretty big difference.